This is Digital Trends Live. I'm Greg Nibbler. Thanks for joining us. And 'tis the season for hardware updates. All kinds of companies are announcing their new lineups, and that includes Amazon, which had theirs last week. And to recap that and walk through what all was announced, and there was a lot, we've got our own John Velasco joining us. John, first off, good to see you. Thanks for being here. When it comes to Amazon hardware, there was a lot that was really rolled out with this. So where all do we want to start here? Which one do you want to start with first?
Yeah, we'll talk about just right off the bat the new Echo speakers. It's obviously their big driver, and they announced not just one but a bunch. So they took a lot of time on talking about what they're offering. So basically, with the new Echoes, the biggest change here is just the new design language. Instead of the flat, small pancake-shaped designs, now they're going with a spherical design, and you see it in this brand new lineup. So the first one here is the regular Echo. This is the fourth generation Echo. It uses pretty much the same sound technology that was featured with the Echo Studio, so it will adapt to any room, so it gets the optimal performance. The spherical design is there, obviously, so it's really different. Next one, we have the Echo Dot, which also has that new spherical design, compact size, new design language. It's made out of 50% recycled plastics, 100% post-consumer fabrics, and there's different versions of it. You have the LED clock for $60, as well as the Echo Dot Kids Edition, which you see it has those really cool, fun-looking designs with the tiger and the panda. That retails for $60. The fourth generation regular Dot is $50, and the LED and the kids version, like I said, is $60. The unique thing about the kids version is that it'll actually leverage some kid-friendly content. So Alexa will be able to use to play music, read stories, and you can also make approved phone calls with friends and family. So those are the brand new Echoes. So you have the Amazon Echo 4th generation, the Echo Dot 4th generation, and all the variants. So a lot of speakers in that area.
Yeah, I mean, I do kind of like the look of it compared to that hockey puck style that they had before. Yep. But it sounds like there's a lot of improvements in there. And going from the Echo Dot speakers, there's also the Echo Show that I know had some big updates too.
Exactly. Yeah. So Amazon just refreshed its new Echo Show speaker. So currently they have the second generation Echo Show. They have the 5-inch version. They have also the 8-inch version, which was announced last year. But this year they're refreshing the 10-inch model again. So this is technically the third generation Amazon Echo Show. And it's different because it has a new design, obviously, 10-inch display. It actually is on a motor. And this is unique about the Echo Show because now it'll actually follow you around the room if you're video conferencing or just doing video phone calls. You could walk around the room. It does it in full 360 degrees. So no matter where you're at in the room, it'll follow you. You have the camera right there too, which is interesting, Greg, because now it kind of is multifunctional because not only is it a smart speaker, smart display, but now it's also a smart security camera. So with the new Alexa Guard, it'll be able to actually detect for motion. If you're not at home, if it senses any motion, you'll get a notification. It'll record those, instances anytime it detects those motions. So you get the best of everything in a package that's $250. So you get that smart speaker, smart display, and the functionality of a security camera in one cohesive device. And this is something I really like to see more in the smart home space because it's multifunctional.
Yeah, I love that integration of the security devices with the regular stuff that Echo and the Echo Show did before. So that's kind of cool seeing it all come together into one package. And going from there, there's also another thing that combined a couple of things into one package, and that is that new smart home device or the new home cam. Can you tell us about this?
Yeah, so Ring, everyone knows Ring. They make the video doorbells, indoor cameras, but this is the craziest and probably the wackiest thing that they've come up with yet, but it's kind of interesting too. It's the Ring Always Home Cam, and this camera is not like any other camera. It looks like they strapped one of their video doorbells onto a drone, so that's essentially what it is. It's a flying camera. I know Ring doesn't like to call it or refer to it as a drone, so it's a flying camera that uses all of Ring's technologies. It's autonomous, so there's there's nothing on the user's part. So what it does is it's going to patrol the home in the event there's some sort of break-in or when the sensors gets triggered. It will actually go from its dock to that location and in real time show you what's going on. And it does this all on its own. There's nothing that you have to do, as far as piloting it. And it's pretty interesting because, yeah, now you have this flying camera around the home that will go to your living room, your bedroom, wherever you want it to go. You have to initially set it up, obviously, where you want it to go. It's worth noting, Greg, that I spoke with Ring, and the only limitation I feel, though, is just going to be battery life. They say it's going to have a runtime of about 5 minutes, and they say it's going to charge, roughly an hour before it's ready to use. It's coming next year. It's not coming out yet, so sometime in 2021, all for $250.
I mean, definitely, I like the idea of it. I don't know if I'd be ready to spend the money on that. I do like the burglar in the video, just how inept he was. And then on top of that, if it's only 5 minutes, couldn't you just kind of wait the thing out? But, there's a lot more into it.
Exactly, yeah. We'll see what else they do.
Well, well, John, thank you very much. And again, we've got detailed write-ups about all of these products and everything else that Amazon announced, because John will keep you up to date with all of that. And we got a big week of more hardware being announced too. So I'm sure we'll be talking again soon. And everybody check out all the articles at Digital Trends. John, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Greg. Appreciate it.